I'm here at TedHair.
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 TedHair. At Ted's Hair.
I have shopped with Ted's Hair.
Sister dyed her blonde, 613 blue. I have these also, and I also have a wig by them on, which is good. I love it. And they also have plenty of other wigs. I suggest them.
The texture is great. They have really good like body to them. They have body wave. It's so many variety.
Hair is great, soft, good texture, good body, lack of shedding. Shop Ted Hair.
Oh, it's great. It's great. Feels great. Nice quality. Yes.
Ted has very, very good hair. They have a lot in store, a lot of good supplies. The hair is very good quality. It has minimum shedding, and Ted has very excellent customer service. Please come out and support Ted Hair.
The Hair Depot, this is the best quality hair ever. The texture is just beautiful. There's a lot of wave, there's a lot of flow. Women, you can never go wrong shopping with Ted's.
I was able to purchase hair. The customer service was really, really nice. And the quality of hair was really, really great. Really good texture. Very, very well.
Installed this hair on my own, and I got so many compliments on it, and everybody wanted to know where I got it from and who do I sell it. So that's where I got my inspiration from, and yes, I love TedHair.